So the device in my hand is a Redmi phone. This is Redmi 812, and suppose if you go to the settings of the phone, that is click the settings, and if you scroll here you can see the option additional settings. Just click the additional settings, and here you can see language and input. Now you can see that so if you click this language and input, and from here you can see at the bottom where you can see the keyboard, mouse and the trackpad. You must click here, and if you click this keyboard, mouse and trackpad, then here you can see the option keyboard shortcut helper, that is display available shortcut. So if you click like this, then you can see that what are the shortcuts available in your phone that you can display here, and you can try accordingly. For example, if you want to go to the home button, then you must in the search and this button, so you can see the keyboard shortcuts that is available, all the shortcuts available in your phone. Obviously, I see for more videos, subscribe and stay within the lesson online. Thank you.